Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a video showing you how to flash the firmware on a battery version of an A118 dashcam into a capacitor version, which will alleviate the problem of a dead battery not saving the last file recorded. So here's what it would do. Every time I turn the car off, the last file would be corrupt. Because it didn't have enough battery life to finish saving the file. There is a way to recover these files. It's a little bit more involved, and I'm tired of doing it. And I'll show you how to fix one of these corrupted files in another video. This is not a permanent fix. The battery will completely die eventually, so I'd recommend just buying a new dash cam. However, I'm going to be using this dash cam as a rear dash cam, and I don't really need it, so I don't really care if it actually fails. Never do this with your front-facing dash cam, unless you're just trying to get like 2 more days out of it while yours is in the mail. I take no responsibility if this bricks your dash cam. Mine is an ODRVM model, but they're all about the same inside. They're just rebranded. I definitely got my money's worth out of this dash cam. I bought it on November 26, 2015, and it's now December 15th, 2020. However, I also ordered a capacitor version from Spytech shortly after that, and it's still going. So definitely get the capacitor version if you're thinking about buying another one. Okay, first we'll get the current firmware so we know what version to go back to. And I'll just restore default settings just to be safe. And power it off. So what you're going to want to download is the A118-C firmware file. You can get it in various places. I got this off of Dashcamtalk. And inside that zip file is going to be this file, this fwb40a.bin, because these A118s are actually B40s. Then after you download that, you want to format the memory card in the dash cam on the computer. So let's go down, format, make sure you got all the videos that you wanted off of it. Make sure you're formatting in FAT32. That means you're going to have a 32 gigabyte card or less, or use another program. But anyway, quick format, go. Yes. Format complete. Drag the firmware file over. Then go down and safely remove it. Alrighty, then make sure you have good power to it. That's not going to die. Then you put the memory card in the right way. There we go. This thing's going to fight me till the end. There it goes. Alrighty, then press the power button. See how it's taking longer to start up? It's flashing the firmware. There we go. Now we have the A118 firmware on there. Go ahead and stop the recording. Menu. Format the card. Okay. Alright, now I went into the menu, and there you see we have A118C as the version. Alright, card's formatted. Let's remove power. Then it's going to do its stupid I think I still have power thing. But that's fine. That's going to give us a few more days of use out of it. As soon as we apply power, normally. Alrighty. It's been recording for 13 minutes. So I'm going to lift it up, move my fingers in front of the camera, just to, I don't know, put motion on there. Alright, and then we are going to act like we turned the car off. We'll wait for this to stop convulsing. Alright, apparently I triggered the G sensor. So there's my fingers on the last video, I think. Alrighty. So I'm going to lift it up, move my fingers in front of the camera, just to, I don't know, put motion on there. Alright, and then we are going to act like we turned the car off. So, there you have it. It worked. Any blurriness is because of this camera, not because of the dash cam. So I hope this helps you get a few more days out of your dash cam. Thanks for watching.